Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to email the Agoda team using your device if you have any problems or questions. So let's get started right away. You can find the contact information for Agoda from the application page on Google Play or the iOS App Store. So simply open up the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store depending on your device. Once you open it up, just tap on the search box and then search for Agoda. Now once you find the application, just tap on it and then scroll down until you see the app support section. You can tap on this and then this will show you the email address that you can use to contact Agoda services. Now you can simply tap on this and choose Gmail or your email service, and from there you can simply type your email and send it to Agoda. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to contact and email the Agoda team. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.